Hello, kids! Today we're going to learn the names of beautiful birds. This is a parrot. Parrot. This is a peacock. Peacock. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. This is an eagle. Eagle. This is a pigeon. Pigeon. This is an owl. Owl. This is a crow. Crow. This is a flamingo. Flamingo. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is a duck. Duck. This is a swan. Swan. This is a hen. Hen. This is a penguin. Penguin. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. This is a hummingbird. Hummingbird. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. This is a seagull. Seagull. Great job, kids! You learned the names of so many lovely birds today. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring the world around you.